Located at the Mendeli Street Hotel and just a minute's walk from the beach, Mashya is a dining and architectural gem. Chef Yossi Shitrit's cooking is inspired from fresh local ingredients, producing an Israeli flavor with a high-end finish. Now, the spacious interior is flooded with natural light and the atmosphere is welcoming and pleasant. From the beautiful plant-covered wall to the sophisticated bar, Mashya puts an effort into the design almost as much as it does into the food. Don't miss out on the breakfast buffet served every morning, the fine selection of salads, cheese, smoked fish, egg dishes, freshly baked pastries gives you the most luxurious buffet you could ask for to start your day in Tel Aviv. For more info, check out the link below.
Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms.